Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I am here with another project share for Globleland, and I will leave their link down below and the link to the products that I've used. But this is the scrapbooking die that I got that was basically a travel theme, and it came with a bunch of cool pieces. It's got this piece right here, which basically looks like a postage stamp, and very big size. I think it was right at 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. Yes. So that is a good size that you could use on a card or anything. And what I created and what I'll do, I didn't use all the pieces, but I'll show you what I created. And the paper that I used is this paper right here. I had a few sheets of Simple Stories, and it's Simple Vintage Traveler. And it says, "Take me away." Vintage travel paper that I absolutely love. And what I thought I would do, since I had a bunch of these index cards, a lot of people are doing the altered index cards, and I thought that, well, this would be perfect for that, almost like a postcard. And so this is what I created. This is what the back looks like. I had an ephemera pieces that came with this collection, and it's got an airplane here. I glued a banner here. This is where I used my, I'm gonna call it my stamp die, right here. And I did distress the edges, and I put like a piece, or I put a couple of pieces of paper on the front and back. And look at this, guys. It says explore your world. I put diamond dust on the continents, and then right here I put glossy accents. And I love this, guys. I love how it turned out. Now, this right here is this die right here. I think you can use it as a luggage tag. And I just kind of folded it over, and it does come with some hearts. See, and I use that little heart right here. And it comes with a propeller. And it comes with another heart. And I'm going to tell you, this little suitcase is the most stinking cute thing. Look here, guys. That it is adorable. If I can get it to focus. There we go. Look at this. Look how cute that little suitcase is. So on the suitcase, this is the suitcase die right here. Easy to put together. Just fold it up. And the straps here is this die here. You just fold it around. Okay, done that one and that one. Here is like a little, maybe like an airplane wheel. You could do that on that. I think, and I missed this one, and I would have used it if I would have paid attention. This is a corner die that you can put little brown corners on your suitcases. And I think that would be super cute. But I think that's what that is. And we may have to try it before we get done here, because, yeah, that would have been super cute. And here is your airplane die that you can use. And I use this as a passport. See? Look how cute. And then on the inside, I use this one just to put like a little page or whatever inside. Super cute. And these dies right here, you're going to use for your handles. Right here. See the little handle right there? Look how cute that is. I love this little die. You know what? Yeah, we're going to have to cut out and see if that's what that is. Let's use which color? Let's just cut a little piece out and see if it's a corner die, because now I'm curious. All right. Oh, and here's a little handle. This was super fun. I loved putting together that little suitcase. I mean, you could use that I mean, wow, the things that you could use it on, and it's super dimensional. Super dimensional. We'll get this cut out and we're going to see, but I almost think that's what that is, because that would kind of make sense. All right, let's look here, guys. Get that out. I'm going to need a poker. Poker. Let's get this out here. There we go. I'm going to look at it real quick. Let's see. I think that's what that is. We're going to try it and see. Fold it up. I think that's exactly what that is. Yep, look. That's exactly what that is, guys. That is the corner piece that goes on the corner of your suitcases. See? Should have cut it in different color paper, but yep, that's what that is. I'm going to have to cut this out and put that corner on there because them are super cute. It needed the corners. All right, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. Wait. Hold on just a second. Hold the phone, Mabel. Globleland was kind enough to send me some extra of this fabulous die. Look at this die set, guys. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pieces with this die set. That is completely just, you could do anything with this die set. Love it. And I've got these extras here. I've got 3 extras. And I would love for you to have this die set because it's just very kind of them. Very, very kind of them. So let's do a hidden giveaway, shall we? And we need to put something in your comments, but not give it away that it's a hidden giveaway. So don't put the word in bold or highlight it or anything in quotations or anything. So we can just do a hidden giveaway. So let's use the word what can we use? Let's use the word explore. All right, so the hidden word for the hidden giveaway is explore. So put the word explore somewhere in your comments for a chance to win one of these fabulous dies. And I will leave this open until today's Saturday. Let's leave it open until Tuesday. So Tuesday is August, let's see. Tuesday is August the 3rd. Yep. So we're going to leave this open until August the 3rd. And I will do my drawing Tuesday night for these 3. A chance for one of you to win one of these sets of dies. And I think that I can send this international because it's very, very thin. So this is going to be open for international too, guys. So put the word explore in your comments for a chance to win one of these. And thank you, Globleland, for this. This is truly kind of you. And thank you all so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. And I pray that God blesses each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.